When you need new tires, it's time to visit Royal City Tire Service. Serving Guelph and surrounding areas for more than 25 years, the team of professionals at Royal City Tire Service offer customers almost 70 years of experience, a benefit that results in the best tire service in town. Royal City Tire Service carries tires and rims from all the leading brand names that you know and trust, and provides sales, service, and installation for your car, truck, van, SUV, RV, boat trailer, as well as lawn and garden equipment. Great service, great pricing at Royal City Tire Service.